Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser on Linux Mint 22.1, that is GI edition. Okay, so the default browser that comes with Linux Mint is Firefox. So open it, then go to torproject.wars. Then download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and it is zip file. See, we have successfully downloaded. Now open terminal, then go to download, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the zip file. We have to unzip tar-xf, then give tar, give the tab to autofill entire zip file name, hit enter, ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder or directory, ls. Now open Tor Browser, just type ./start, give the tab to autofill entire .desktop file name, hit enter. Don't give the sudo. If you give sudo, it won't work. At a moment it is opening the Tor Browser. See, you got the Tor Browser. If you want always automatically connected, you have to enable this one, or if you don't want, just click on connect. I want to connect automatically, select it and click on connect. Now it is establishing the connection. See, the default search engine for Tor is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so we have successfully installed. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser on Linux Mint 22.1. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.